Hello guys, what's up? This is Anisha, and in case you are new here, then let me tell you, you can consider subscribing, pressing that bell icon, and obviously as we know that the wedding season has come really close. So I mean, it is the wedding season right now, so you guys must need some inspirations and ideas to do a makeup look. And as you can see, I'm going to do this beautiful golden sort of shade to a nude sort of shade look today, and this look actually goes with a lot of outfits, and it will definitely go with any sort of ethnic wear that you're wearing if you're a wedding guest, because the golden shade is a shade which is sort of neutral. I'm not going like, it is not literally a lot of golden, but sort of a beige light shade, and a lot of the ethnic kurtis and everything have a golden detailing, have a beige detailing. That's why I'm saying that this will go with a lot of the outfits. So now let's just get started. Clean my face, apply the moisturizer. Now moving on to the primer, I'm using the Color Bar primer over here, the Flawless Finish Color Bar primer. Applying it all over my face. To use the vitamin C serum from Dot & Key. This is moving on to the foundation. I'm definitely going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the shade 220 Natural Beige. A good amount over here on my arm. And sponge that I'm going to use. I love doing it with the sponge, and I'm also going to apply it in my under eyes, so it will give me a sort of corrector. So I am done with the foundation, and it looks like a flat face. I'm going to use the stick contour from Nykaa. That is not a white. I'm a sponge person, okay? I have a lot of brushes, but I never use them. Now I'm going to apply this blush stick, which is from Sugar, and I've been obsessed with this blush stick because it's too much pigmented and I love it. In fact, I want to try out some powder form of blush. I really want to do that. If you guys have any suggestions, then do comment down below, or else I will take my suggestions from YouTube itself. So I'm going to apply it in the really high points over here, and I'm not going to extend it towards my cheeks, because if I extend it towards my cheeks, the face looks more flatter. The more you bring it towards here, it looks more flat. Blending sponge. Do you see? Like, wow. Now let's get into contouring. I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind eraser. This is in the shade Sand, I guess, but it's little bit lighter, so it sort of brighten up my under eyes, and you can already see that because of the foundation, a lot of my under eyes is already concealed. So that's why I always apply the foundation in my under eyes as well, because it does the work of place it in the high end of the nose, like so, and over here and over here, and concealer part. So I'm going to set down this concealer with the help of a powder, and I'm going to use the Faces Canada Weightless powder over here. And literally I lost the applicator abhi, and I was trying to find it out from the past 5-10 minutes, and abhi mil gaya hai. So now let's just start. I like to do this, and I take the amount that I like, and then just patting it to set. So I'm just going to use this brow spoolie sort of a thing. Uske madad se I'm just going to give a shape to my eyebrows. For that, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild palette. This is more than sufficient for today's look, because it has beautiful transition shades with a lot of nudes and browns and stuff like that. And also there's this one shade which is like really a little bit of sparkly sort of thing. So if you want to use something else for the sparkle, then you can also use K Beauty का एक golden color का एक आता है, that is also really nice. I don't have it at the moment, but I've seen somebody using that. So you can go with using this fluffy sort of blending brush that you see over here. So I'll start with the transition shade over here, and I will apply it all over in the outer corner, outer area with a really light hand. same brush, I'm going to go for a slightly darker shade over here, and I will try to put it only in the crease area and try to like like define the crease area more. Going in with a slightly darker shade over here, I'm going to use the same brush. Honestly, I don't like to change brushes. This is a brush that actually goes well with everything. In fact, you can make different style of uses with the same brush, and you just learn that over the time. And in the outer area, we're going to put this darker shade like this. Slightly, okay. Looks a lot smoky now. Intensify this look as much as you want. So just because I'm wearing like a dark blue kurta, I felt like I should intensify it a little bit more. But if you have lighter colors, then you can just go for the transition shade and not go for the browns. So I am actually using a lot of browns over here. I'm going for a darker and darker shade. If you want just to go for a very natural, simple, not a lot of stuff, then you can only go with the transition shade followed by this shade. Going on with this color over here, this is such a beautiful, like a golden slight shimmer sort of color, and I'm going to use this side of the brush. Oh wow, it looks pretty good. And we're just going to pat and pack it in, not a lot, okay? Sliding with the outer corner like this. Like a really thin line, and also a slight wing over here. I don't want to mess up a lot with the eyeshadow, otherwise the eyeshadow ka look itna dikhega nahi. Maybelline eye mascara. Shit. You can see the whole eye look over here. It goes from a very transitioning shade to a golden sort of shade with a winged liner. As I told you, if you don't want to go that dark, then wo jo last shade, brown wala shade maine use kiya tha, that is this shade. Then don't use this shade if you don't want to make it too dark. To the lips, I'm going to go with the lip liner first. I will try to link this lip liner. I'm not really sure कि lip liner कहाँ से है. And now I'm going for this nude sort of shade from NYX lingerie sort of collection, professional makeup liquid lip liner. इसका shade का नाम I don't know perfectly, but I'll definitely link it down below. To go with the highlighter, I'm using this Sugar Stick highlighter over here, face forward stick highlighter, and I've been using it forever, like forever. A lot of over here, like, and that is all with the look. You can see a beautiful like a golden sort of concentration over here, and then it goes on to a darker shade. Definitely try this one out if you're going to be a wedding guest at any place. And as I told you, if you want to make it darker, you can go for darker shades, and if you want to make it lighter, then only go for an orange-ish or peachy sort of shades with the golden itself. And that's it. And all of the products are gonna be linked down below, and do let me know down below if you want to see more of such looks, or what looks do you want to see next, so that I can create them for you guys. And until next time, take care of yourself. Tada, bye.